Set proper goals and guidelines when pursuing affiliate marketing. Understanding the techniques of affiliate marketing can earn you the trust of your clients as well as a large amount of income. There are many different methods of affiliate marketing, and each method works well in a particular situation. To learn how to improve your affiliate marketing techniques, read the tips below. In affiliate marketing, you need to express to your readers that they can trust you. Do not post ads that you do not believe in or have any interest in, they will know. If you appear to be a phony condoning something you don't believe in, that will drive away your readers and they won't trust anything you have to say. You should select affiliate marketing partners that offer products closely related to your website's focus. This is not a case of encouraging the competition but simply smart business. Visitors to your website are most likely to purchase products related to the topics that brought them to you in the first place. By selecting affiliates that provide such products, you will increase the chance of successful sales. Diversify your affiliate marketing strategy. Do not put all of your advertising eggs in a single basket. No matter how tightly you focus on a particular niche, you should be able to find more than one affiliate to partner with. Maintaining good relationships with multiple affiliates will give you a safety net in case one advertiser ceases to be profitable. Affiliate marketing arrangements are most successful when they speak to your own personal interests. Seek out affiliates and advertisers whose products and services appeal to you personally. A salesman who genuinely believes in his product is always the most convincing salesman. By associating with partners that provide services you like, you can ensure that you will be enthusiastic and trustworthy in promoting them. Bullet lists are a great way to show off product benefits. Having a bulleted list gives readers who don't want to read your whole video a place to see what they like about your product. It also provides a break-in in video, adding to its visual appeal. Check with your affiliate programs to see if you can receive test products to review. Some companies don't allow this, but there are many that do. The less money you have to put up front, the better. If they don't offer test products, then you may want to look elsewhere for a company to work with. A great affiliate marketing tip is to be honest about affiliations. If you try to sneak in affiliate ads, you might lose the trust of your visitors. They might even go out of their way to prevent you from getting your referral credit. It's much better to be honest about your affiliations. All in all, affiliate marketing is successful when it is applied with consideration to its receptive audience as well as when it fits the market of the promoter. Use the tips above to improve the success of your affiliate marketing and you will earn more income and develop your clients' trust. Do you want to know how to leverage the power of a sales funnel to generate $100,000 in a month? I have great news for you. Today and today only, you can access 1. A free full course on the secrets of a sale funnel. 2. A free book on how to generate traffic for your offer. 3. Start to use my software for free to create your own affiliate program. Click the link below to start.